Welcome to Health Assist. Dr. Vakas is here with you, and I will tell you many terminologies with respect to the effects and the actions of Unani drugs. And today I will explain one of them. So, let's start. Let's start the terminologies with respect to the effects and the actions of Unani drugs by Dr. Vakas Ansari, an assistant professor of Markaz Unani Medical College and Hospital, Calicut, Kerala. Today we will learn one terminology which is used in Unani system of medicine, that is Asir. In this video we will learn how it can be pronounced and how you can write in Urdu and in English, and what it means and when it should be used. So let's know Asir. Asir meaning squeezer or constrictor. You can define the agent, either a drug or a diet, which contracts a cavity or orifice or which compresses an organ and squeezes out the secretions present in the organ spaces. The examples of Asir Advya. Here given some examples. First one, Halela Zard, which is called as Terminalia chabula. And second example is Amla, which is called Amblica officinalis. It is famous one, you can see. Now, when it should be used, when you can give. So, a physician can give Asir Advya when he needed to eliminate morbid fluid from the cavity of an organ or from intercellular spaces. It can be given in case of constipation as gentle laxative. It can be given in case of gingivitis to decrease the swelling of the gums. It can be given for evacuation of excess of bile, phlegm, and black bile through the feces. It can be given to correct the mental illness develops due to excess of rutubat, that is moisture. It can be given to increase the brain memory power by eliminating excess of phlegm. That's why the Triphala, which is called in Unani as Itrifal, is used since very ancient time. Now, आसिर in उर्दू. आसिर यानी निचोड़ने वाली वो दवा है जिसमें आज़ा को सुकेड़ने की ताकत इस कदर होती है कि उसके असर से आज़ा की खलाओं की रुतूबात निचुड़ के खारिज हो जाती हैं और तमाम आसिर अद्विया काबिज़ भी होती हैं, मसलन हलेला, आमला, पोस्ट अनार. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel, that is Health Assist. Have a nice day.